If you manage your contact list in Google Sheets and need to send personalized emails to hundreds of people, you need a reliable mail merge add-on. But what's the best tool for the job in 2026? Well, today we're testing three of the most popular options head-to-head: Mailmeteor, Yam, and Mail Merge with attachments. We'll show you step by step exactly how to run a mail merge with each one so you can see which interface fits your workflow. Let's get into it. We're starting with Mailmeteor, built specifically to be the fastest and most modern mail merge tool for Google Workspace. Mailmeteor lets you do everything from composing to sending directly inside Google Sheets without ever switching tabs. Here's how the workflow looks. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet containing your contacts and then get up to the extensions menu right here, select Mailmeteor and then click on New Campaign. Step 2, the Mailmeteor editor opens right over your spreadsheet. It's a clean and spacious interface. Click here to create a new email. Okay, once you've written your email, you can personalize your email. If you want to do that, just insert variables, which will go and pick them in your Google Sheets. We're going to click on Insert Variables, and here, for instance, we want to add the name, and we also want to have their company. Okay, now before you send, you want to make sure it looks perfect. So click on Preview, and you can easily click through individuals so you can see exactly how it's going to look like with the specific data. You can even send yourself a test email. Go ahead and close. So once you're happy, just click on Send Emails, and that's it. From start to finish, the Mailmeteor workflow takes just a few clicks, keeping you entirely inside Google Sheets, and it has a highly visual, modern dashboard. It also offers advanced features like automated follow-ups and click tracking, but for pure speed, it is unmatched. So here I'm showing you the different options you can pick from before sending the emails. Okay, next up is Yam, or Yet Another Mail Merge. So this one is the oldest and most widely used add-ons in the Google ecosystem. It is incredibly reliable, but it uses a very different dual app workflow, and this is how it works. So before you even touch Google Sheets, you have to open Gmail, and this is where you're going to compose your new email and write your template. Just like Mailmeteor, you can insert variables to personalize your email, but to do that, you click on Hi and then the arrow going down, and then click on Personalize. And here we want to add the first name. We'll copy it and then go ahead and paste it. And then we'll do the same thing here for the company name. To add the company, I just typed it up. Just make sure you put one curly bracket. So once this is written, go back to your contact list and then click on extensions and then Yam, start mail merge. Enter the sender name and then click here to select your template. So this is the one we've just created. Again, you've got options to choose from. You can send yourself a test email, you can schedule it, or you can just go ahead and send the 3 emails. While Yam does force you to bounce back and forth between Gmail and Google Sheets to get your campaign set up, it is very robust and has millions of users and a proven track record. Okay, our last tool is Mail Merge with attachments. Of course, I forgot to tell you, but all of these tools are readily available in your Google Workspace Marketplace. For Mail Merge with attachments, while the interface is a bit more traditional, it has a very specific superpower. It allows you to easily attach different Google Drive files to different recipients. So here's the workflow. Open your Google Sheets, then click Extensions and navigate all the way down to Mail Merge with attachments and go ahead and click on Open. And then you'll get this question: would you like to convert this sheet to a mail merge sheet? Just press OK. Okay, now create mail merge. You can give your campaign a name and then select the worksheet. So same one. Go ahead and continue. You can enter your name, so that would be mine. Then select the recipients. So you want to go ahead and click on email. And also you've got the tracking and analytics category where you can tick or untick track email opens, track clicks on links, and add unsubscribe link. Done. Continue. So for the email body, you can either select an existing Gmail draft, just like we saw in the previous example, or you can create your own. So if I click on draft, I can just click on quick question and continue. And finally, you run the merge by clicking on send emails. This interface feels a little bit more technical and requires navigating through a few more menus, but it is a highly capable tool. So which one is right for you? Well, here's the quick breakdown. Mailmeteor stands out for its modern interface and pure speed because you draft, preview and send without ever leaving Google Sheets. It is the fastest way to get a campaign out the door with the fewest clicks. Yam is a fantastic battle-tested choice if you actually prefer drafting your emails inside the native Gmail Compose window before jumping over to Sheets to launch the campaign. And finally, Mail Merge with attachments is your go-to pick if your primary goal is sending personalized individual files like unique certificates or invoices to every person on your list, even if the setup takes a couple of extra steps. So all three tools offer free tiers, so go ahead and try them. And that's it for today's comparison. We hope this video was useful. Give it a like, it really helps, and subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips. See you in the next one.